Hello, dear learners and followers. This is your Shahriar sir from Shahriar GIS School, and today I have got an exclusive gift just for you. From 1st to 5th of this month, I am giving away free access to many of our premium GIS courses on Udemy. But this offer is only for our learners and Facebook followers like you, as I have posted this only in my this Facebook page and only you can see this opportunity post. Yes, you heard that right. Full professional GIS courses completely free with lifetime access. This is actually our paid course, but you will get it fully free. Whether you have learning remote sensing, QGIS, ArcGIS, Google Earth Engine or WebGIS, this is your chance to grab these courses without paying anything. In this post, you will find the full list of courses and their free coupon links. Just click and enroll. But remember, these coupons will only work from 1st to 5th of this month. After that, the offer will expire and won't come back soon. So don't miss it. This is a thank you gift to our amazing community who support and learn with us every day. Valuable, leave a review and share this offer with your fellow GIS learners. No problem. Happy learning and see you inside the classroom. Stay blessed, keep growing. Till then, enjoy GIS.